In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Breed by Nirvana off of their album Nevermind. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and I teach aspiring guitar players like you how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Today we have Breed by Nirvana. Comment down below if this is your favorite Nirvana song, and let's dive in. All right, let's take a look at this hard-driving grunge classic. We're going to be using mostly power chords here. The song's going to start on an F-sharp power chord. Okay, so that's 2nd fret, 6th string, and 4th fret on the 5th and 4th strings. We're going to hit that twice, then we're going to lift our index finger and play the open E string, then put it back on the 2nd fret, and at this point, we'll slide up to the 5th fret, which is an A power chord, and we'll strum and bend all 3 of those strings. Then we're going to hit the open E string again, and then repeat that riff. So that's how you play the intro to this song, and that riff is going to drive most of this song. There is a rhythm guitar that's going to play that part through the intro and the verses. The main guitar is going to be playing this during the verse. All that part is the 11th fret on the 4th and 3rd strings. 8th notes, and then at this point, we move down to the 10th fret on the 4th, do a half step bend, and add vibrato. All 8th notes here, half step bend, vibrato, and repeat. And the last time through in the verse, we'll play this, and then we'll jump down to that F-sharp power chord that we opened the song with. And then we're into the chorus. The chorus is going to sound like this. So what that part is a D power chord. So it's an open 4th string, 2nd fret on the 3rd string, 3rd fret on the 2nd string. And then we go to an A. Okay, and then we go to the power chord shape on C. So it's 3rd fret, 5th string. And then down to 2nd fret, 5th string. So we'll play that 4 times, and then coming out of it, we go right back into the intro riff. Then we'll go into another verse, exactly the same as the first. And then into another chorus. And into that intro riff one more time. And at this point, we go into the solo. So we're into the solo section, and I use the term solo pretty loosely here because all it really is octave swiping while tremolo picking. Okay, so octave swiping just means playing a note on the 5th string in this case, and then playing a note on the 3rd string 2 frets higher. So we're going to be starting on the 9th fret of the 5th, and we're going to also be playing the 11th fret of the 3rd. And tremolo picking just means swiping the strings pretty much as fast as you can. So we'll start tremolo picking on the 9th fret for 3 bars here. And then we go 8th fret, 7th fret, 5th fret. 1 hit on all of those. So let's repeat that. Tremolo picking for 3 bars on the 9th fret. 8, 7, 5. Then we're going to repeat that pattern but on different frets. So this time we'll go to the 12th fret. And then we'll go 11, 10, and 8. Then we'll go up to the 15th fret. Same pattern. And then down to 14, 13, and 12. And then we'll go down to the 5th fret, still on the 5th string. We'll tremolo pick that for a bar. And then what we're going to do is gradually start moving up the neck until we get to the 16th fret. Once we're there, we're going to jump over to the 4th string, 16th fret, and then we'll also play the 2nd string, 19th fret. And that's the note that the solo will end on. So let's put all the pieces of that solo together slow. It's going to sound like this. All that tremolo picking might make it sound kind of messy, but this is grunge music, so that's kind of the point. Is Nevermind the best alt-rock album ever? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life because we do, in fact, have souls.